Hello LNGs, YArt Channel, back again after a long break, and in today's video I got for you not Lego, but a Lego knockoff Susengo. I got it as a gift and I finally decided to see how it stands against original, and I must say looks and build was quite nice. Didn't disappointed with overall look, but as all wannabe Lego there were some problems. Starting off with the little green tool that they give you, it was not useless but definitely impractical. It looks like little cute crocodile, but unfortunately tail was so thick that you could not use it to separate two flat pieces. Practically useless. Instructions manual was done in the right way, as you would expect from those companies that copy stuff, but definitely I found myself going back in a couple of places where I missed something, since they only show one angle in instructions manual, so sometimes you might miss crucial things because of that, or it was not properly marked, or was just simply blending with other pieces. Parts themselves were not highest quality, bit flimsy, and not as solid. Won't survive nuclear blast of Chuck Norris kick like Lego, but I would say they were up to the task. With all that said, even though it is not perfect, still looks very good and adds a lot of visual value to my collection. I did make a little research on their website, looks like bits sketch and not finished, but they might just be a really small company with not many resources. In the end, I would say it is a good copy of original, and if not the fact that they basically stole Lego idea, then I would recommend that build, but unfortunately they did, so good but not good. Don't buy it. Unless you get it as a gift, but don't buy it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you will enjoy the rest of my video, and more stuff coming up. See you around.